Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure the basics are met. Confirm internet, VPN, and firewall status so Outlook can reach your server. Once done, open Outlook and go straight to File, Account Settings, repair your account or remove and re-add it. This forces a fresh sync. Make sure Work Offline is not selected, and inspect the outbox for stuck messages. You do this first because server contact and a clean account state resolve most sending failures quickly, saving time on deeper fixes. Next, you dive into detailed account checks. Verify SMTP server name, port, usually 587 or 465, and encryption type, because mismatched settings stop outgoing mail. Then, run Outlook in safe mode to rule out add-ins, disable suspicious add-ins, and test sending again. Also inspect mailbox size and sync frequency, and re-enter your password to refresh authentication tokens. These steps pinpoint protocol, extension, or quota issues, so you know whether to adjust ports, change encryption, or clear space before moving to file repairs. Finish by repairing corrupted data or profiles. Run scan PSD on your PSD/OSD, or create a new Outlook profile after backing up data, because corruption can silently block sends. Update Outlook in Windows, and if you use OAuth, regenerate the SMTP app password or token so authentication is fresh. If sending still fails, remove any stuck messages, confirm your ISP or mail provider isn't blocking SMTP, and test sending from webmail. If problems persist, that single troubleshooting tip, try webmail to isolate client versus server, will.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.